You're 12 kilometers up, hurtling along at 900 kilometers an hour in a metal tube. On the other side of the plane's millimeter-thick aluminium skin lies a death zone, where the atmosphere is too cold and too oxygen-starved for human beings to breathe. And yet, you're most likely bored. This is only possible because everything from the air you breathe to the seat you sit in is the product of years of scientific research. Here, at the Recaro Seat Factory, they design, test and build seats for Lufthansa's fleet.
When designing an airline seat, first of all, comfort is extremely important. You can imagine the passengers stay for a long time in the seat. They eat, they work, they relax, they even sleep in the seat.
In the 1950s, aeroplane seats were built to withstand up to 9 Gs of force in a crash landing. Today's seats can handle up to 16 Gs. Every inch of your economy seat has been precision engineered. Your tray table is tilted at exactly 3 degrees. Useless on the ground, but once the plane is angled in flight, this becomes perfectly flat. Once in the plane, the seat will spend up to 20 hours a day in use for over a dozen years. And so a brutal battery of tests has been designed to check that it's up to the job.
The passengers using the seats, they're behaving completely different. So people just leaning on the armrest, maybe they're using it as a step somehow. This is like passengers pulling a bag out of the overhead bin and having it drop down to the armrest. This is the elbow. So during one flight, the armrest will seat 10 times to 115 newtons as an elbow load.
Unless you're an astronaut, an aircraft cabin is the most highly engineered environment you'll ever experience.